Best deals. These smart electric cookware sets are designed to cook your food evenly without the hassles. You can also grill, cook, roast, fry, and bake your favorite food with all of these innovative kitchen gadgets. With the detachable parts you can easily clean and its compact size makes them to store easily. TC's products are versatile and looks elegant and beautiful, hence fits neatly in all of your kitchen settings. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Kettle. It's compact and lightweight. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Egg boiler. Has non-stick heating plate for instant noodles, scrambled eggs, extra layer rack for steaming at 2 levels, comes with timer control knob up to 45 minutes, and break-resistant PC lid with steam vent. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Barbecue plate. The honeycomb pattern can gather heat to lock the original juice, making the food more delicious. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Sandwich maker. Can be used to press your custom sandwich or open at 180 degrees for flat grilling burgers, steaks, veggies, and anything else you are craving quickly and easily. Use this Libra Toaster Griller Sandwich Maker. Sandwich toaster is a panini press for perfectly crisped bread, no cooking spray required. Griller adjusts to accommodate any size sandwich, thick or thin. The closed cooking surface is ideal for 4 sandwiches or 2 large paninis. Great for a quick meal, summer party or a family event. This unit is perfect for making breakfast, lunch, dinner and more. 4-slice toaster bread sandwich maker comes with cool touch handle, drip tray for collecting excess oil. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Air fryer. Grill, roast, and bake your favorite food with its innovative heating system rapid air technology, which is designed to cook your food evenly without the hassles of using hot oil or thermometer. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Frying pan. Adjust the heat setting to your liking using the detachable probe and easy-to-use dial. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Griller. Tawa ensures a hassle-free cooking experience, making it a sought-after choice. Cooked dosa, uttapam, pancakes, eggs, and roast vegetables. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Dehydrator. Can preserve varieties of food. Produces nutritious food with very simple preparation. No food will spoil and go to waste with this food preserver. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Roti maker. Made with stainless steel housing. So you do not need to worry about the rusting. The Chapati Maker Electric Automatic has non-stick coated heating plates with an 8.5 inches diameter, which makes the process of roti and chapati making very easy. Has Bakelite handles and housing which are strong and sturdy for long life operation. Chapati Maker Electric Automatic is also safe to use because of heat-resistant Bakelite handles. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Kettle. Cooker can steam and boil at the same time. Perfect for cooking instant noodles, soups, eggs, pasta, oatmeal, providing you with various choices for preparing your daily meal. Includes a boiler tray to boil eggs. Crafted from high quality with stainless steel, this kettle is durable and resistant to rust, ensuring long-lasting performance. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Egg boiler. Comes with stainless steel body, heating plate and food-grade transparent top cover. Automatically shuts off once the egg gets boiled or the water runs dry. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Wafer Sandwich Maker. With an auto cutoff feature, Sandwich Maker ensures safety by shutting off automatically when cooking is complete. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Toaster. Equipped with 6 levels of browning control to help you get perfectly browned toasts according to your preferences. Variable browning control whether you want fully browned toast to eat with your morning cup of joe, medium browned toasts to make mouth-watering sandwiches, or mildly browned toasts to eat with Nutella. You can brown the bread slices as per your taste requirements. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Deep fryer. 250W power for rapid heating and variable temperature control for precise cooking. Stainless steel tank ideal for commercial or heavy home use. Cool touch handle, non-stick inner basket, and overheat protection ensure safe and convenient operation. Removable and dishwasher safe parts, drainage system, and easy cleaning make post-cooking hassle-free. The thermostat enables setting different temperature for different frying needs. It is very compact and can be used for deep frying comfortably on your tabletop. Commonly used for preparing popular fried foods like French fries, chicken wings, onion rings, and battered fish. Adjustable temperature controls allow users to tailor frying temperatures to suit different types of food. Stainless steel construction ensures durability and resistance to corrosion, with removable and dishwasher-safe parts for hassle-free cleaning. Cool touch handle and non-slip feet provide added safety. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Tandoor pan. Insulated walls lock in heat, ensuring uniform cooking and conserving energy. With its sleek, cylindrical design, the tandoor fits effortlessly into gardens, balconies, patios, or terraces. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Cooker. Cook your favorite Indian breakfast dishes like idli, sambar, pongal or succulent biryani, pulao, or any choice of non-vegetarian foods. Pressure cook, slow cook, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, saute, and warmer in one single cooker. It is everything you need to make your life easier. Easy one-touch controls. Operate the cooker simply by pressing a button. The automatic operation makes cooking very easy and convenient. The electric cooker is perfectly safe to use with controlled pressure and superior quality of construction. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Egg boiler. It comes with a measuring cup that lets you measure the appropriate amount of water for each kind of boil and has a built-in pin to pierce the eggs before cooking to prevent cracking. This comes with detachable parts that make it extremely easy to clean and wash with detergent and a sponge. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Electric grill. This set includes a non-stick grill pan, 8 cheese melting trays, and a wooden spatula. Non-slip handles, temperature control, and high-quality non-stick coating for the ultimate raclette machine experience. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Cooker. Auto-adjust temperature and timings for optimal rice cooking combined with tailored useful add-on options including steam, porridge, slow cook settings including 24-hour preset timer and keep warm features, 8 preset cooking function long grain, short grain, brown rice, porridge, quick cook, slow cook, steam and cake, cooks up to 3.5 cups of raw rice or 500 grams of raw rice. Enjoy effortless cooking as the smart cooking algorithm is designed to automatically cook delicious rice every time. Keep your rice cooker clean and your rice tasting fresh with the removable non-stick inner pot, detachable inner lid, auto clean function, and excess water drainage dish. Starting the rice cooking process is easy to do with the one-touch switch lever. Enjoy effortless cooking as the smart cooking algorithm is designed to automatically cook delicious rice every time. Product link is given in the 19th link.